Hello Year 8. Today we're going to be turning your designs into laser cutter files. You're going to select the ping pong paddle blank, which is going to be in shared documents. I'll show you where that is, or it will be on your team's class. So I've got the ping pong paddle here, and this is the correct size for the ping pong paddle. You can obviously edit or modify the sides if you want, so it's a different shape, but try to keep to a similar size. Okay, don't be going too far out. Okay, so there's a few ways you can do it. You can either take a photograph of your work and upload it and then vectorize it. You can take a picture on the internet or multiple pictures from the internet and you can vectorize those, or you could use the tools over here to draw the shape that you want. Okay, so let's just show you how to do the internet version. I'm going to get a bitmap image, copy image, paste image, and zoom out a little bit. If you press shift, hold shift at the same time as you shrink it, it will do it in scale. Then go to bitmaps, vectorize bitmap. Click on the image, it'll take you to this screen. Click on monochrome, change the luminance. If it's not a great image, or it's not very clear, press OK, press OK. And then just wait for a second. Click on the image and go to fill and no fill. Just want a line drawing of it. You'll add the colour later. And then place it over your ping pong paddle. Shrink it down so it's a similar size. And then what I'm going to do, go to colour and make the paddle red, just so you can see it better. Happy with the position of the overlay, start deleting all of the red lines except for the handle. So you will need to zoom in. If I delete that part there, I should be able to just delete a full line now. Okay, and then I'm going to do contour all the way around, zero contour. All that will do is just give me a cut line all the way around, so I'll do that. Let's get rid of those lines in the middle. Okay, and then just make all of the lines red. The inside will be engraved and the outside will be cut out, and then we'll put the handle on the front and the back. You need to save it onto the pen drive or into Student Share or onto your Teams, and then I will be able to have access to it and can cut them out or help you cut them out once we're in the class. Okay, thank you.